Hi, this is Rich of Ottertail channel. I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes with you and talk about hashtags. Hashtags are pretty new with YouTube, and I wanted to kind of show you how to put them in your videos. First off, how to find hashtags. It's pretty simple. It's simple and it's very hard. I do demo derbies and tractor pulls, mud racing, stuff like that. So I'm going to just kind of show you a demo derby example. So you look them up, go to YouTube, look up, I just looked up demo derby. So I put up demo, D-E-R-B-Y, and I come up. Now you see these videos down here, they don't make much difference, but right here, this demo derby, this box right here, if I click on this, this takes me to a group of 2.7K videos and 141 channels. So I copied this right here and I put it on a list of hashtags that I want to use. Now let me show you, for instance, of something that I don't want to use. For instance, the hashtag, say MN, because I live in Minnesota, MN demo. If I look that up, now see, MN demo doesn't come up with that box, so that's not a popular search. So if I were to use this as a hashtag, it would come up and say MN demo doesn't exist. Do you want to search this instead? So it won't take you right directly to that group that I just showed you. So here's the MN demo. If I click on it, it just says nothing to see here. Try searching MN demo. So if you just click here again, then it takes you back to this page. So that's probably not the page you want to use. So that's a tip on finding what you want to look for. So let me show you how to put them in there. I'm going to go to a video that I have, and you can either put your hashtags in the description of your video if you want to. I find it easier just to go down to the bottom of my video, and I have a list of hashtags already listed. So I copy and paste them, and I just put the hashtags down at the bottom of my video. Okay, those are the 3 hashtags that I use. Now, one thing that you want to remember when you're using hashtags, if you have a location on your video, that location will override your hashtag. So you have to go down into your video and you need to take out that video location, because right now I have Twin Valley in there. That's going to show up in my video, so I need to take that out, make my video location none, so my hashtags will show up. Now I can save the video, and I'll go up and well, actually we can just go ahead and click here, and now you'll see my hashtags. We can stop this. My hashtags show up right here. Now what the first one that I showed you, well, I didn't show you that one, but if I click on these hashtags, it'll take me right to these groups. Now, as your viewers click on these hashtags, you're going to show up in these groups. So you're going to get exposure that you didn't get before by putting these hashtags up. So the hashtags are a good thing to have on your videos. So it's super simple to put them in, and it's just, the thing is just finding, you know, what fits your niche, however you pronounce it. And it's what I'm doing is I'm just marking which ones that I do, and then I just go in and you know, drop the next one in. This is a tractor pull, so I just go in and I copy down the hashtags that I have listed for tractor pulls, and just to reiterate, it's very, very simple. Just drop the hashtags in, and then remember the big thing, you're going to drive yourself crazy. If you do have a location in there, you have to remember to go in and take that location out, or else the hashtags will not show up and they won't work for you. So there's my location. I have to hit none and then hit save, and then the hashtags are saved in your video. So that's it for hashtags. The one thing that I do not know on hashtags, and maybe you can make a comment for me, is if you hashtag your channel, if you start building a library. So if somebody knows that, if you do, you can have 3 hashtags on YouTube from what I understand. I also understand you can have up to 15, but I did try to put more than 3 and only 3 show. So thank you for watching, and have fun with hashtags, and let me know how you do with viewership, and see if anything happens with these hashtags with more exposure on your videos. Have fun, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button, and use that notification bell to your liking.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.